It is a good time. It is a good time. The good time, and then the good time passes, and then there's a little bit of bad time, and then what can you do? And then the bad time passes, then there's some good times again, and it never stops. It never stops. Ainsley says, great, thanks, good to be here. Yes. Yes. It is good to be here, isn't it? Life is a roller coaster, yep. Yeah. The trick is to find some balance in the center, to realize that it's never not gonna be a roller coaster, that there's no like... It's like with posture, you know? Posture is not a fixed thing. It's like there's always small adjustments to the posture. You can't hold the posture perfectly for your entire life. It's always a dance between, oh, I'm out of posture, okay, back into posture. Oh, I'm out of posture, back into posture. So the same is with life, isn't it? Like, you're never gonna find that perfect spot where you don't have to recenter yourself ever again. There's always a little bit of left, oh, back to center. Oh, I'm going right, oh, back to center. I'm low, back to center. I'm very high, back to center. And it's a dance. It's a dance, isn't it?